If you have been stopped here in Florida, I want you to keep 3 important phrases in mind that you might have to tell the cop if it comes to that. Here's what I mean. I've seen a lot of things go wrong. My name's John Guidry, by the way. I'm a defense attorney here in Orlando. I've been defending cases for over 30 years, and I see where things went wrong because I'm watching the body cams, I'm reading the reports. Here's where things first go wrong. This is what you can tell an officer. I've got 3 things you can tell an officer. First of all, the officer is going to trick you. They've got some trick questions. The trick questions are like, do you know what I stopped you for? Where are you coming from? Have you had some drinks today? How many drinks have you had today? All of these things, you can just say, I don't want to discuss my day, officer. I'm sorry. I don't want to talk about my day. Shut them down. You don't have to answer any of those things. That's number 1. Number 2, if the fishing expedition continues, and sometimes it does, okay? Like, you've already got your ticket. All right, I gotta pay a speeding, or I gotta hire a lawyer for this thing or whatever. And then questions keep coming. The second thing you need to think about saying is, am I detained? Am I free to leave? That's an important question because you wanna shut down the fishing expedition. They're just probing to find wrongdoing. They're probing to take you to jail on something. They can't continue the fishing expedition if you give them that second phrase, which is, am I free to leave? Am I being detained? If they say no, you're free to leave. No, you're not being detained. Good. All right, let's call this a day. And the third thing, right? If it gets further and further and further, where they're like, well, you are being detained. Well, I have some more questions. The third thing I want you to think about saying is the most important thing, and that is, I would like to speak to a lawyer. I would like to have a lawyer here rather than answer these questions without a lawyer. That's your third thing you need to think about. Those are the 3 important phrases that I'm giving you. I don't expect you to memorize this, but we're protecting 3 important rights here, okay? We're protecting your right to remain silent when you say, I'd rather not talk about your day. We're protecting your status, right? In terms of, am I free to leave? And we're protecting your right to have an attorney by simply saying, if it gets too far, well, then I would like an attorney here. If some of these things go wrong for you at a traffic stop here in Central Florida, lucky for you, I defend accusations here in Central Florida. I've been doing it for over 30 years. I hope that you'll give my office a call. Even if you're just here to watch and gain some knowledge, which I appreciate, if you would just do me a favor, it helps us out a lot if you just like it, heart it, thumbs up it, subscribe, follow, all the little buttons. They're helpful buttons for us. And of course, I thank you for watching. Take care.